से इतनी प्रॉब्लम क्यों है बॉस? What has Ram done to you that Rahul Gandhi is getting short-tempered and telling people Jai Shri Ram karte raho, Jai Shri Ram karte raho, and you are being looted? Well, you have a tax claim on you. You're not being looted. You have to pay your tax dues to the income tax department, just like all of us pay. Where's the problem with that? And if you have to contest it, the rules that we've been told is that 20% you pay and the rest you can keep contesting till the cows come home, till the final verdict comes. But 20% आपके पास है नहीं या देना नहीं चाहते?
Thank you for that question. And the question is fundamentally flawed, ma'am, with a lot of respect. Because there is a difference between a political party and you or Sohail Seth or Harshvardhan Ji or Shehzad or Abbas Bhai or me. There's a fundamental difference. We're individuals or corporates. They come under a tax bracket. Political parties are exempted from paying taxes. That's point number one. Point number two, so there's a fundamental difference. Point number two, so even when we compare this to a raid on, say, any corporates, the Tatas or the Kirloskars or the Garwaris or anybody, those are wrong comparisons. Point number two, the delay in filing was for 45 days. I will get it in the later segment why there was a delay in filing in 2019. So that's because of the delay. You can't reject a 200 crore revenue of the party and say, no, this is taxable, when the Election Commission of India has accepted it. Please understand, political parties come first under the Election Commission of India, where expenses go, they approve them. So income tax cannot then reject these expenditures. Third, most importantly, the total disputable amount was only 14.5 lakhs was the total amount. Now income tax is through sources, because Ajay Makan's shown papers. Income tax is talking through sources, and I respect your sources. But the disputable amount is 14.5 lakhs. For 14.5 lakhs, you're sealing the entire bank account. And then income tax through sources is telling Times Now, which I have a lot of respect for, to tell a country how many other accounts somebody else, right to privacy gone for a toss. How is any of this legal? When a government does this, this is not just bullying. This is not creating a level playing field in elections. This is the principle of democracy. Today, the principal opposition leader in Russia has died. This is not creating a level playing field. I'll give you one example, and it's not an absolute appropriate example, but I will give this nevertheless for your viewers to understand. Please allow me. Let's assume any TV channel and a rival channel controls the regulatory mechanism, suddenly bans one TV channel on election day because it controls the regulatory mechanism for whatever it deems as false. And then in the election season, which is the main time for a news channel, it cannot showcase anything, or it's struck because of this regulatory mechanism controlled by another TV channel. Is that fair? It isn't. These bodies are today following the tune of the government. It's unfair. It's never happened in our history. No political parties face this, and it's wrong. That the Congress should contest it, I agree. But this is completely wrong, and it's not a level playing field.
Well, Tehseen Poonawalla, brilliant statement that you've made there on the opening. But may I tell you that there are a lot of commercial rents also that you get as ownership of several buildings. I know, Suhail, you are itching to come in, but should I throw the question to the political party, or should, okay, with your permission, Shehzad, Suhail said, commercial rent pe bhi inko nahi dena because they are a political party.
You know,